my channel. I hope you've all had a great week. So Halloween is just around the corner and I'm so excited. I'm so looking forward to it. And today is an exciting video because I'm actually collaborating with Bayfair Shopping Centre, which is my favourite mall in the Bay of Plenty. I go there all the time and I have since we moved to the Bay of Plenty when I was like 12 years old. So super exciting. I'm going to be doing 2 easy Halloween looks that you guys can recreate for Halloween using products from their stores at Bayfair. So yay! And they've got some of my favourite stores inside of Bayfair. So Bayfair is your one-stop shop for everything. So if you do live in the Bay of Plenty, or if you want to go and check out Bayfair, then definitely do. They've also got Dine at Bayfair now, which is a big food complex, and I went to their opening and it was really cool. And I met heaps of other Taringa influencers at that event. So yeah, I absolutely love Bayfair and I'm going to create 2 easy looks. So before I start the tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a few things because I wanted to give you an idea of some of the Halloween items that they do sell. First of all, here's a pumpkin lantern. Look how cool it is. I think this will be cool for like adding into your Halloween costume. So good if your kids are going out trick-or-treating. It's something where you can put the lollies in. Also from Kmart, I got these Happy Halloween mini pails. Look how cute it is. It's like that big lantern, but a mini version. There's also a whole lot of fun props. I got this one because I thought it was really cool. It's a pumpkin and a bat on a stick. I could even give it to the kids at the daycare centre that I work at. They'd love this. It even lights up. You ready? If a mall has a Kmart, then honestly that is perfect because Kmart just has absolutely everything. So I got this massive giant spider, which is so cool. What if this was real? Oh my god, I should stick that in the background of my video. They've even got things in a lot of their shops such as fake blood, so at A2C, which is like their $2 shop, we've got some horror blood, and they've also got lots of face paints and like acrylic paints and wigs and costumes and stuff like that. So yay! So I've decided I'm going to do the tiger look first. So the first product I'm using is the Thin Lizzy Duo Eye Pencil. I was so excited when I saw Thin Lizzy at Life Pharmacy in Bayfair. I didn't even know they stocked it. So next I'm using the LA Girl Glide Gel Liner. When it says gel liner, it means that it's super soft and smooth, so it's gonna work really easily on the skin. You can also get LA Girl from Life Pharmacy in Bayfair. And I knew Mecca Maxima in Bayfair had some amazing makeup. So how exciting that Mecca Maxima is in Bayfair now. It has been with the new build of more shops. I love Mecca so much and it's about time that they got a Mecca with amazing brands in the Bay of Plenty. Exciting as well, they have just released Morphe to Mecca Maxima, so you can get Morphe from Bayfair, which is so exciting. So I got the Morphe and James Charles palette. I did used to own this, but I left mine in Cambodia and I was so gutted. I was in a rush to clean up the hotel room when I was in Cambodia and I left this behind. So I decided to get it again because it has got all the colours you need and it is just amazing quality. I had to get some makeup brushes for this look. I went into Kmart and got the brand OXX. So this is the cosmetic brush set and it was only $12. Look how cool this is. I think this would make a perfect gift as well. It comes with 5 brushes and I absolutely love the handles. So I'm going to use this little brush on the end to set the white gel liner with white. For the oranges and the brown tones, I'm going to be using this brush. And I'm going to take a mixture of these three colours and this colour. So after you've done a majority of the orange, you want to grab a black and do the stripes. This black is super pigmented in this palette. So if you make a mistake like what I have done here, I don't want the black going that high, you can just take some micellar water and Swispers. So I got these from Countdown in Bayfair. Super cool that they've got Countdown because you can do your food shopping there as well. It's like an oil based. I'm going to do fine feather-like strokes with this eyeliner, and it's got a really precise tip. So I'm going to take the Thin Lizzy Duo Eye Pencil again, and this time take the brown on the other side and do fine strokes throughout the tiger face. Next, I'm taking the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. I absolutely love Stila eyeliners. They do such an amazing job, and also they have amazing glitter liquid eyeshadows, glitter and glow eyeshadows, which I really love. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to add a little bit of white fur in the tiger look as well, just to make it pop. You can get Stila from Mecca, Maxima. You can get so many amazing brands in Mecca, Maxima. So I'm going to add a nose just to make it look a little bit more fun and a little bit more detailed. So I'm going to take this colour here and a little bit of this and this colour. Now I'm drawing the outline of that nose with the Thin Lizzy Eyeliner and Corrector pen. So next from A to Z, I'm using a lipstick called JoJo lipstick, and this was only $5.90, and it is a black one. To darken up this lipstick to make it a super matte black, I'm going to take the black from the James Charles palette, and I'm going to set that with a brush on top of the lipstick. I'm going to do a little point out the side just to change my lip shape a little bit. So now, time for lashes. I'm using the Glam Pro by Manicare magnetic lashes. So if you are hopeless at doing fake eyelashes, these are super easy because you literally line your eyes with the eyeliner and these just stick on top like a magnet, because this has got like magnetizing agents in it, so it just sticks on top. So it's like hassle-free and super easy. You don't need to put on fake lashes if you don't want to, but I just think it makes the eyes like really pop. So these are from Farmers. You can get so many makeup brands and cool things at Farmers as well. I'm just going over that whole eyeliner just to make it super dark. So I really like these lashes in the style Luxe. I think they look so cool. They're not mink lashes, by the way. They just have a mink effect. And yeah, they look so cool and fluffy. Whoa, that is so weird. It just sticks on straight away. So strange. So this look took me about 50 minutes, but you can do a little bit less detail and it would probably take you only like half an hour, which is pretty good for getting ready for Halloween. And now I'm going to do Halloween tutorial number 2, and this is a Peking pumpkin. I'll call it Peking pumpkin. That sounds cool because it's peeking through my skin. It looks like my skin's been torn. Because pumpkins are orange, I wanted to wear something orange to kind of go along with the look. So I got this really cute t-shirt from Glassons. Look how cool it looks. So they have redid the store in Glassons in Bayfair, and it is so cool. The set out is really amazing. They've kind of got that similar set out in all shops across the nation. But this was such a cool orange color, and I love my like short crop kind of tops, and yeah, that's really cool. So you can get Glassons in Bayfair. So I'm taking the LA Girl Glide Gel Liner again, and I'm going to trace out where I want my torn skin to be. So if you make a mistake, which I just did, I don't want this line to come over my nose. I just forgot that a pumpkin has a like triangle nose. I want to see the triangles, so I'm going to take a Swiss bar. I'm just going to take that off. That's what's good about white as well, it's just so easy to fix. Okay, so I did the guideline, and now I'm going to colour it in. If you want, you could use that James Charles palette again for this tutorial, and I would have, but to show you guys more options of kind of the different products you can get, I have another Morphe palette just to show that there is different Morphe palettes that aren't super colourful and are more neutral and more wearable. And this is the 3502 Second Nature Artistry palette, which is really beautiful, and it also is really pigmented. It is a lot cheaper as well. It is $40, I believe. So beautiful, lots of warm tones and a pop of like brighter hues here. I'm going to use a lot of these tones for the pumpkin look today. So I'm going to be using that same OXX. OXX Cosmetic brush set. I'm going into the James Charles palette, and I'm taking this orange up here and just putting this on top. If you're wanting any like laser treatments or micro needling or any facials or face treatments, this cosmetic clinic does it. And what better timing before summer to get laser hair removal, because you can have bald legs or underarms or anything. So yeah, I'm just letting you know that that's in Bayfair, and that's where I go once a month to get my micro needling, peels, and also my laser hair removal. So Bayfair's got it all. So now I'm going to do like the grooves of the pumpkin through the face. So I'm using like these darker browns here to create that effect. Now I'm going to take the black in that palette, and I'm going to outline where the scary eyes and nose and mouth is going to be. I don't just want the standard triangle eyes, I want to make it a little bit more unique. Then you can go over that with the eyeliner. So I'm taking the eyeliner corrector pen and tracing over that. And I'm going to go around the edges of this pumpkin, and it's going to create some shading. And I'm going to add highlights, so I'm just going to add a bit of white and a bit of this orange in the center. So I'm using the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner again, and I'm going to highlight some of the edges with this. So I just went over with the Stila Stay All Day waterproof eyeliner all around the edges and also a little bit in the grooves, just to kind of like give it some dimension and make it pop. Now I'm taking the Chi Chi Viva La Diva lipstick, and this is in the shade Madame Motown, and you can get this from Farmers. I absolutely love Chi Chi Cosmetics. One of my favourite brands, and I used to collect all their eyeshadow palettes and their lip liners and a few of their lipsticks back in the day. And last but not least, also from Farmers, I'm using the Adele Fake Minx lashes. These are in the style 811. Duo eyelash adhesive is like the best eyelash glue, and I never have a problem with eyelashes lifting. Now I'm going to use one of these little skeletons from Kmart. I love this little cute pack. I'm going to take one of these out. I'm going to stick this on with a lot of hairspray and a clip. This look did take me like an hour and a half. If you were to add less detail, it could probably only take you like an hour and 10 minutes. So yeah, this one's obviously a little bit more detailed than the first look, but I feel like for those of you guys who want to get arty and just challenge yourselves, this one would be perfect for you guys. Who doesn't love a good Halloween pumpkin look? Because I have never done one and I've always wanted to do one. So don't forget, you guys can get all the products that I mentioned in this video at Bayfair Shopping Centre in Mount Maunganui, Tauranga. They've got so many stores to choose from, and not only just for Halloween, but just for things in general. It's honestly a one-stop shop, as I said in the beginning, and it's always been my favourite shopping mall since I was young. So it's so exciting that I got to collaborate with them in today's video. If you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. It would mean the world to me. Leave any of your last Halloween recommendations down below in the comments. I'm so sad that Halloween's nearly over. We've only got like a week to go and then it's over. So I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you guys in my next week's video. Bye.